Can AI generate the documents your business needs? It is supposed to change everything that we do, right?
AI is going to be in our lives across everything we do.
There's no doubt that AI is amongst the most transformative technologies of our time.
But wait, there has been something called document automation since the 90s. And it can generate documents, right? Document automation and other non-AI software can generate documents. Humans can generate documents. And now, newly, AI can generate documents. It turns out that AI and humans are good at similar types of tasks. You can ask them to write 2 paragraphs of text about document automation. And they'll do it, and the results will vary, and that is to be expected. But if you ask document automation to write 2 paragraphs in those same words, nothing will happen. Where traditional software, including document automation, shines is following precisely defined rules and instructions, and doing so accurately 100% of the time. And that is something you will have a hard time getting humans or AI to do. To illustrate the differences between traditional non-AI software and computers and AI, let's give them both the same math problem. We'll be using Google Gemini Pro 1.5 and a 30-year-old calculator. Let's go to Google Gemini first. Let's type in the problem. And this is the result. Now let's have a look at the calculator. Which one is correct? Of course, the calculator. Giving a task like this to AI is like giving the same math problem to a human. You might end up with the right result, but it's much quicker and much more reliable to give the same task to a calculator or an Excel spreadsheet. What that means is, if you have documents, and those can be automated in their entirety with document automation alone, great, you already have the best solution possible. However, if you have documents, and humans still need to get involved in their creation, even though you are using document automation solution, why not use AI for that? It has similar strengths to those of humans, and it's more scalable. For example, you can ask AI to find something unusual or concerning with your data. Or you can ask it to write a few paragraphs of text based on your data. And in both cases, it can do a pretty good job. And there is no way the document automation alone could ever do that. Of course, we're not the first ones who have thought of using AI for the tasks that traditional computers are not good at.
These are the presenters of the non-IT industries using accelerated computing to solve problems that normal computers can't.
AI is often pitched as a co-pilot to us humans to help us do more, quicker. But imagine how transformative AI can be when it becomes a co-pilot to a relentless, precise taskmaster with superhuman powers that traditional software is. And I believe that is the future of AI in business. If you have any questions about document automation, AI, or anything else, you can contact me on the email shown on the screen. See you next time.